Describing people. She is Mrs. Sara Piñeros. She is the cook of the Santa Elena School. She is short, thin, her skin is white, her eyes are brown, and her hair dark. She is 45 years old and cooks very rich. She is very responsible and organized. She likes cleanliness and order. She does not like impunctuality and guilt. She is Andrea Sánchez. She is the tutor for the internal student and Santa Elena School. She is tall, fat, and her skin is black. She was born in Chocó. Her height is crepus, and her eyes are black. She is keen to students, like to do crafts and order, dislike sincere, irresponsible students and rules. He is Andres here, my co-worker. He is the high school teacher and Santa Elena School. He is tall, athletic, his hair is black, his eyes are brown. He likes to play football with the students every afternoon. He is very strict with discipline, likes to drink beer on weekends, dislike the mess dirt and misbehavior of some stubborn students. She is Jessica, my best friend. She is a teacher in a school in Santander. She is tall, her height and eyes are black, her skin is white. She likes to taste chocolates and sweets. She is very friendly, sincere, and loyal. She does not know how to tell lies. She disguises the lies and the evidence people.